You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x equal or greater than 11 over 2 equal or greater than 51 over 2. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Add 6 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by 2. Simplify the fraction. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x equal or greater than 11 over 2 equal or greater than 51 over 2.